Confused about whether your Apple Pay usage earns you dividends? Let's clear that up in under 2 minutes. First, let's be crystal clear. Apple Pay is a payment service. Just like using a credit or debit card, it's a convenient way to pay at stores, online, and within apps. Think of it as a digital wallet. Because Apple Pay is simply a method of payment, it doesn't generate any dividends on its own. Your transactions using Apple Pay don't earn you any kind of payout. It's just a way to use your existing bank accounts or credit cards. Now, here's where the potential confusion comes in. Apple, the company, does pay dividends to its shareholders. If you own Apple stock, which is AAPL, you are eligible to receive dividend payments. Dividends are a portion of a company's profits that are distributed to its shareholders. The amount you receive depends on how many shares of Apple stock you own and the dividend rate per share. So, while using Apple Pay won't earn you dividends, owning Apple stock will. It's important to understand the difference between using a service and owning a piece of the company. In short, Apple Pay equals no dividends. Owning Apple stock equals potential dividend payments. Hopefully, this cleared things up for you. Be sure to subscribe for more quick and easy to understand explanations on finance and tech. Thanks for watching.